Pandas looking up the list of sheets in an Excel file. The new version of Pandas uses the following interface to load Excel files. But what if I don't know the sheets that are available? For example, I am working with Excel files that the following sheets: data 1, data 2, data n, foo, ba. But I don't know n a priori. Is there any way to get the list of sheets from an Excel document in Pandas?
You can still use the Excel file class and the sheet_names attribute. See docs for PARS for more options.
You should explicitly specify the second parameter, sheet_name, as none. Like this. df are all sheets as a dictionary of data frames. You can verify it by run this. Result like this. Please refer Pandas doc for more details. This URL.
This is the fastest way I have found, inspired by Diving Toby's answer. All the answers based on xlrd, openpyxl or Pandas are slow for me, as they all load the whole file first.
The easiest way to retrieve the sheet names from an Excel, XLS, XLSX, is then to read and store the data of a particular sheet. Say, sheet names are sheet 1, sheet 2, etc. Say sheet 2 for example.
If you want to support the channel,